Hey and welcome back. Today we are diving into the world of spiral wrapping bands. Spiral wrapping bands are, as you can see, flexible plastic or nylon bands that are used for different applications. Those are cable management, where spiral wrapping bands are often used for organizing cables in offices, homes and industrial settings. And they prevent tangles and keep the wires neatly bundled together. Protection, they serve as a protective barrier for wires and cables, guarding against abrasion and other potential damage. And lastly, identification, where different colored bands have color coding cables or cable harnesses for easier identification and troubleshooting. Since they are not totally closed, they still allow heat to dissipate from the cables they encompass, similar to braided sleeving. Another huge advantage though is that you can attach it afterwards, even on already installed cables. So let's take a look at how to properly attach them. First, you should select the right size. To do that, choose a band diameter that can comfortably accommodate the cables or wires you intend to wrap. It should be snug, but also not overly tight. Then you should prepare the cables. Before wrapping, ensure that the cables are neatly organized and lined. Next, wrap it using following technique. You just start at one end of the cables and spiral the band around them, overlapping slightly with each turn. While you're at it, ensure a consistent tension throughout. What comes in really handy is that you can do cable breakouts at any point. This is another big advantage of a spiral wrapping band compared to similar products, where at least I don't know any of that offers a similar option. And finally, although optional but definitely recommended, secure the ends. You can use cable ties at both ends to prevent it from slipping. So as you can see, spiral wrapping bands are a simple yet effective solution for cable management and protection. By selecting the right size and properly applying them, you can keep your cables organized, protected and easily identifiable. At WKK we offer a broad range of different sizes in black or natural color for your business. Check out the link in the description or go to wkk-europe.com to see our full assortment. Thanks for watching and don't forget to give a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.